Fiji, a tropical haven with over 300 islands, is a snorkeler's paradise, especially for beginners and families. Let's dive into the 7 best snorkeling spots in Fiji, where the waters are as welcoming as the colorful marine life beneath. The Mamanuca Islands, a stone's throw from Nadi, offer serene waters for snorkelers of all levels. Here, you can glide over coral gardens bustling with tropical fish, and if you're lucky, spot a sea turtle or a reef shark. The Mamanucas are a snorkeling sanctuary, perfect for an introductory plunge into Fiji's underwater splendor. Venture a bit further to the Yasawa Islands, where the Blue Lagoon's calm waters await. This snorkeling haven is adorned with picturesque beaches and untouched reefs. Families will delight in swimming with the friendly reef fish and discovering sea stars and sea cucumbers, making the Yasawas a tranquil retreat for marine exploration. For a dash of adventure, Beka Lagoon beckons. Known for its soft coral and diverse marine life, this spot offers shallow waters for beginners and outer reefs for the daring. Encounter turtles and reef sharks as you navigate through the vibrant coral gardens, promising an exhilarating snorkeling journey. Taveuni Island, the Garden Island, is home to the Rainbow Reef, a snorkeler's dream with its kaleidoscope of coral and fish. The Somosomo Strait's calm waters are perfect for beginners, while guided tours ensure a safe and educational experience for children. Taveuni is a magical underwater adventure, showcasing Fiji's rich marine biodiversity. Savu Savu, on Vanua Levu, is a snorkeling gem with the Namina Marine Reserve just offshore. Here, the clear waters reveal a tapestry of coral species and tropical fish. Snorkel with angelfish, triggerfish, and wrasses, and keep an eye out for reef sharks, rays, and dolphins. Savu Savu's underwater beauty is a snorkeler's paradise. Kadavu Island, encircled by the Great Astrolabe Reef, offers snorkeling amidst the world's 4th largest barrier reef. The calm lagoons and channels are teeming with turtles, manta rays, and tropical fish, providing a safe and mesmerizing experience for all ages. Kadavu is an immersive snorkeling destination, unspoiled and unforgettable. Kamia Island, a tranquil oasis northeast of Taveuni, boasts fringing reefs rich with marine life. The warm, shallow waters are ideal for family snorkeling, where every turn reveals clownfish, butterfly fish, and surgeonfish in a living aquarium. Kamia's untouched reefs offer a peaceful snorkeling escape. Fiji's snorkeling spots offer a world of wonder for beginners and families. From the Mamanuca and Yasawa Islands' gentle waves to the vibrant ecosystems of Taveuni, Savu Savu, Kadavu, and Kamea, there's a slice of paradise for every snorkeler. So pack your gear and set sail for Fiji's enchanting waters, where an unforgettable snorkeling adventure awaits. Book with Far and Away Adventures for the ultimate Fiji snorkeling experience. Book with a Fiji specialist at Far and Away Adventures.